Hello friends, this is Sai Phanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice-oriented training classes on SQL database administration with cloud, Azure Cloud. I assure you complete practical orientation from scratch, right from database concepts to something called DBMS, database management activities, towards SQL Server. We start from SQL Server concepts, SQL Server architecture, and slowly proceed for the core SQL DBA and advanced SQL DBA activities with cloud, Azure Cloud. Understanding various types of real world DBA problems like immediate priority admin activities, high priority admin activities, normal priority and planned activities across a multi-server environment. In our classes, we'll be working with multiple servers. 2 servers I would be helping you and guiding you to install in your computers, and one more server would be on our online lab. I mean, total of 3 servers we are going to play with in our actual classes, and understand various types of or various levels of DBA activities, level 1, level 2, level 3 activities, and common questions. What are the prerequisites to join the course? Yes, no prerequisites. Will start right from the scratch, right from the basics, assuming we are very new to technology, and completely into practical mode, concept wise FAQs, right from the basics to architecture to backups, restores, replication, log shipping, clustering, always on Azure, migrations, tuning, troubleshooting, upgrades, and so on. Highly interactive. I'll do my duty. I need your support. All you do is just submit your FAQs on time, concept wise. If someone asks you what you did in your project, if your interviewer asks you what are the challenges you faced at your job desk, what are the P1 activities, priority 1 activities you did, or what are the level 2 activities you did, or what you do if a server is down, database down, some database running slow, these kind of specific core admin related, production admin related activities we are going to learn in our classes, with complete resume support and job assistance. Job assistant purely based on your FAQ submissions. And to enjoy our classes and peacefully be happy at our job desk, we would like you to thank us from your job desk, and for that we need your support. You need to make sure you have Windows 8 or higher operating system. We shall provide you the software, guide you for installation, in addition to our online server access for this particular course. Need your support. And finally, from our entire courses catalog, this particular DBA course, as I was mentioning few moments back, from scratch we'll be practicing all possible real world errors, solutions. We'll take first 9 chapters about architecture and the fundamentals. From 10th chapter comes core admin activities, backups, and so on. To enjoy these concepts from chapter number 10, we should be perfect with chapters 1 to 9 curriculum. Of course, we'll start from the scratch, right from the basics. To understand various levels of backup, something called restore, something else called recovery models, jobs, maintenance, tuning, logs, security concepts. HADR, something called replication, log shipping and mirroring concepts. We'll slowly understand something called upgrades, updates, health checks, repairs, like common errors and solutions, always on with clustering activities. Understanding about migration activities on-premise to Azure migrations. As a DBA, it's our job role. Understanding the main differences between on-premise and Azure cloud, and as a DBA, our actual job role in maintaining, managing the configurations and capacity of the servers. With this information, our course is into box 1, 11, plan A, 6 weeks. Additionally, 12 for experienced profiles, total 9 weeks. And nowadays, from LinkedIn and other popular job portals, we could see good demand for Power BI admins. You may opt for plan C. As per your choice, your resume plan, you may proceed for your relevant course, plan A or B or C. And if in case you are making sure you are practicing on time throughout the course, pretty sure you'll enjoy the entire course, right from the basics towards always on. And you have the course curriculum from our website. Hope you received a PDF on it. If not, please do reach me. You may always contact me on this number for doubts, clarifications during or after the course. You may also start communicating. Please add me to your WhatsApp, and I'm always there to help you right from now to address your clarifications, questions, resume plan, kind of course you would like to go for, the kind of resume plan you would like to go for, and so on. My support for your learning always. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Hope to meet you soon, online or on demand video. Anyone you can opt for. Same curriculum, same example, same mock tests, and same project work, and my support. Either live online or on demand video is the same concepts. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.